Hey everybody, and welcome back. And if you're new in and you enjoy this content, please click that subscribe button and ring the bell for future notifications. Let's get right to it. These days, most officers don't even know their job without looking it up. Here's some clips of officers doing exactly that. And stick around to the end for some exclusive footage of my arresting officer admitting that he arrested me off of public property.
Public record. Don't erase that, okay?
May I review that public record that you just created on your phone? That's a denial of the law states 119-1 Sunshine Law. You just created a public record that is immediately available. I need to review it. I have unobjective documentation right here. And if you, sir, listen to me. This is very important. Okay, last chance. Do you want to hear me out? I'm going to put you on notice then. You are in violation of my civil rights.
Just stand over there.
What's up, brother? What you doing? Job. Yeah? Trying to catch people running stop signs and all that? Your job's to generate revenue? What is it? What's your name and badge number? Marquez 1291. Watch out, man. You're not supposed to block the sidewalk, bro. You back it up a little bit more, I'll be cool. I'm not telling you my name. Nah. Bro, look at. You're the one that put the kid in jeopardy. The only person that has put a kid in jeopardy today has been you. Yeah. What does that mean? No, I'll be seeing you later. I'll be around. Hey, check it out. Thousands of us will be seeing you later. You're on notice, Marquez.
No. I need to see your ID.
Please step back.
Need to see your
Step
ID.
back, sir.
I need to see your ID.
You don't get my ID. I haven't committed a crime.
What crime have we committed?
Let me tell you something.
What crime did we commit?
You're not furnishing me your ID. I need
I have
your
not.
ID.
3802 states I only need to show my ID if I'm being lawfully arrested.
Are you gonna give me your ID?
Hey,
Can I help you, gentlemen?
yeah, just need a complaint form for an
Okay,
officer.
so what are you taking pictures of a secure facility
A
for?
secure facility? It's a public lobby,
a
right?
jail.
There. It is a jail. You're right.
Okay,
Yes.
so we don't actually allow photographs inside the facility, okay?
In the facility.
But I'll get you a complaint.
That would be mighty nice of you there.
Not a problem.
Look at that.
There you go.
So you can't film in a public lobby in a publicly funded jail that's publicly funded by state and federal
you
law.
know,
anything
if
like
we
that.
want to do all the semantics about public,
It's no semantics. It's law.
No, it's not a law.
It's not a
Alright?
law?
There are aspects of a jail,
Yes.
that you can get if you are in the public part of it.
Yes. And you don't wear a mask inside?
I wear a mask in the part of the jail that requires masking.
Face mask required to enter
That's
the building.
for you.
Oh, because it's
Okay.
different. Because the court case out of Cumming, Georgia, there's Smith versus Cumming. If there's a public lobby and it's normally open to the public like that, and you can walk in there and see it with your eyes, we shouldn't have any trouble being able to go in there and see what's going on. Because it looks like there's all kinds of stuff posted, information on the wall for the public to see.
No, we're all set. Thank you.
What are you doing here, sir?
We're just filming.
Filming what?
The public property.
What are you
Department?
filming on the public property?
I'm sorry?
What are you filming on the public property?
Just the police department.
And any specific reason why?
Nope. Nope. We're just journaling.
Journaling for what, sir?
Just public interest.
Into what?
I'm not answering any more questions, sir.
I'm not answering my question.
Nope. We're on public property. We're not.
Didn't say you weren't.
No, I'm just telling you that where I am.
Private vehicles here that we don't want our private vehicles.
Okay. Yeah. I'm just filming anything I can see in public. So.
Okay.
All right.
What's your name again, sir?
Can I have yours?
Sure, it's Officer McKinnon, badge 60. What's yours, sir?
Thank you, sir. You?
What's yours, sir?
Thank you, sir. I already told you, sir. I don't answer questions.
Oh, you don't answer calls?
No, I don't.
But you can ask them?
Of course
That
I can.
seems somewhat unfair.
Well, you work for us, don't you?
I don't know. I work for the city, actually.
Well, that's
I
the
don't work
people.
for you
You work for the
specifically.
people. Yeah, you do. So, do you have any other questions that I want to
No, just
answer?
wanna know what you're doing, that's all.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
Doing some work, that's all.
Doing some work.
Yep.
Did they ask you to leave?
No.
Have you asked them
Not
to leave?
inside the building.
Definitely asked them to leave. Are you wanting them to leave? So what? Are you wanting them to leave?
That's soliciting a trespass, though, isn't that?
If he's asking you to leave.
Yeah, but you can't trespass me from a public property if I haven't committed any crimes or done anything wrong, and I haven't done any of that. So
I wasn't here. I don't know.
I can tell you. Have I committed any crimes?
I mean, there was no crime committed, but they're
See,
not supposed to be recording.
I didn't harass anybody. I didn't talk to anybody.
Inside, yeah, they were recording inside
Yeah.
the building. Like, that's people, you know what I'm saying? They're not getting, they're here for a service. Yeah, you can't record inside.
Do you guys know of Smith versus City of Cummings?
No.
No? Okay, that's something that we need to look up because that's a Supreme Court case out of here. All right? And it gives us the right to record our public employees on the public dime in public areas, not in secure areas. We understand that. We didn't go into any secure areas, did we? No. So we know what we're doing. We do follow the law. We make sure we do that. I mean, there are laws. We do understand that there are laws, and we do follow them to the T at that point. So, I mean,
So if you're recording inside and someone's talking to the personnel that you're recording and they're talking about their health and some of the things that are protected.
HIPAA violations.
HIPAA
violations.
Can you record that?
It's the onus is on the employees of the
you record
department.
that? Can
If
you
it's in
record
public, yes. If they were standing right here and they're talking about it right here, it's no different in here than it is inside of the public lobby in there. Now, if the HIPAA is on them to keep that information safe. They're the ones that have had the training. They're the ones that have had the supervision in order to do that. So the onus is on them to do that.
So there's no expectation of privacy.
In
for-
public,
for
there's
the
not.
person.
In public, there's not. Not for any of us. You know that. There's not privacy for any of us in public. You have to create that privacy, correct?
Okay.
So that's why you would take them back into an exam room or back into a waiting room or back someplace else like that to create that privacy outside of the public area that anybody can walk into.
You're under arrest,
Okay, for what?
okay? Which this means that this is coming off.
Okay. Because you're being video and audio recorded too. You just figured it out, huh? You just figured it out that I had a body cam the whole time. That's excellent, huh?
It's got to come off.
Okay, well, you can't take it off while I'm handcuffed.
I know what I can do.
Okay.
That's what I do. Relax there, young man.
Okay, well, it doesn't just come off like that, sir.
Okay.
Hey, don't pull my neck like that. Come on.
Pulling your hair.
You don't, just be respectful, bro. You just arrested me off a public property.
Yeah, that's I know.
Yeah, a pub.
Yeah, that's I know.
Yeah, a public you know? Oh, you know? You just said you know. You just said you know.
Okay, that's what you say.
Come on, man.
Yeah, you've been arrested, all right.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Disorderly.
Like, I don't know. Disorderly for what? Asking your name? Okay, so what was disorderly that I did?
Sir, you'll be all.
I'm just asking an explanation.
All right.
You're the officer arresting me. You can't explain?
I don't have to explain nothing to you until I get to court. My job right now is done.
Okay.